Hello and welcome, and thanks for getting your cool roadmap to revenue. I'm Lorna, and I'm one part of the coolest couple with my husband Pat. This roadmap has been designed to help 9-to-5ers leave the rat race for good. It does this by mapping out and creating a framework of the steps you need to build a revenue-generating business that replaces your employee income. And we do that inside our course called Be Cool Brand You. We present our training in a way to prevent overwhelm and help you build your online business with confidence. But just understanding the roadmap will help you in getting started with your business. So over the next couple of days, we are going to walk you through the 3 phases and 9 steps within your cool roadmap to revenue. Let's talk about the layout of the roadmap and the 3 phases to building your business. Think of the model as a rectangle that is divided into 3 equal sections, and within each section are 1 phase and 3 equal steps. So we have a 4x3 rectangle. If you look at the top, you can see the 3 phases. Phase 1 is the foundation phase, Phase 2 is framework, and Phase 3 is freedom. Each one of the phases has 3 steps under them, so there are a total of 9 steps. We'll dive into each step and its details in the upcoming videos. Now, if you look at the PDF of your cool roadmap to revenue, you should be able to see the 3 phases and the 3 steps within each phase. Just a note that each step could be followed one by one, like step 1, then step 2, and step 3, etc. Or your roadmap could also be used as a library for reference purposes, where you go to the specific step to get what you need for that area. Okay, that should give you a good understanding of how the roadmap is laid out. Tomorrow we'll dive into more details of Phase 1, Foundation, and we dive deep into Step 1, Business Foundation. See you tomorrow.